Yeah, right. This is me versus AvionScarabee. Unfortunately, I ran out of space on the iPhone. Had too many videos on there, so I had to delete them to make room for this. Yeah, so this is me kicking the shit out of that guy, AvionScarabee, whatever his fucking name is. Anyway, here it goes, uninterrupted this time.
I'll show you what combat's all about.
Round one. Ready, go!
Bullshit hitboxer jumped over that.
Knockout! Round two. Ready, go!
Take that. Take that.
Knockout! Round three. Ready, go! Knockout! Round four. Ready, go!
That's what you get, asshole. That distance game shit. You got tackled outside the ring. Stop backing up. Backed up right outside the ring, you fucking idiot. Right to the fucking edge. No way you're gonna fucking evade a Lancer tackle. Stupid asshole. You gonna play distance game now? I'll play my distance game. Fucker, take that. Stomp, bitch. Take that, asshole. Take that.
Mission accomplished.